What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to Dallas's right now, and last night we went to Home Depot to buy some paint because he's gonna repaint his wheels. Oh no, he was gonna paint them black again, but he's gonna paint them white because the pink is not really going with the car. So yeah, the white will probably bring it out the wheels more. But yeah, I'm gonna head over there right now, and yeah, I'm gonna see what's up. We're at Hoffman D's Sally Garage. He's about to take off both his wheels so we get to painting.
Dude, hopefully my
So if you guys don't know the little secret, you could get note cards or cards and just put it. What?
Look at how tight my lug nuts were, bro.
Oh, they weren't even tight.
I've done it.
Yeah, what do you mean I done it? So you just get cards, playing cards or note cards, and you just stack it around, and you just paint it. Just try not to get it on the tire, because that will make you look really ghetto.
That's super safe.
But
Look at that, they're just hand tight.
But I guess he didn't even tighten his lugs because he's an idiot. If you're wondering what Dallas is running, he has the Hydro, the Willwood, and then the BC Extreme Lows with I think it's 28, 26. What? 18, 10 plus 6, 18, 11 plus 16. But anyways, he's got Figs toe arms, and he's got the TCS rear upper control arms. But he made it so it's like
Black Widow.
For real? There's one down here?
Oh yeah, there's like 50.
But yeah, those are the butt plugs.
No, it's the fuse for.
Oh. So Dallas got the sensor. This is for the. What is this for again?
You look like a fucking.
Oh yeah, the fuel pump. That's right. Because his shits keep running, so he just got this. Hey, didn't you buy this yesterday?
Yeah.
Came in today. Comes with the relay and everything.
Not really.
Is it like 30 amps? Oh, it's only 20.
Painless, bro. Painless. But anyways, yeah, he got this, so his fuel pump could work right. Because if you guys saw the last video, it was just powered straight
From the battery?
From the battery, from the blue wire that I showed you guys. So, I was like, where's my camera?
Run me a piece.
Oh, look at that. That's good. Tyler's mad at me because I don't
What is that, Josh? Don't look. This is a broke man. Gotta wash them down before you paint them. Right, brother?
You gotta paint him before you paint him?
You gotta paint them before you wash them. These almost look white on camera. Well, they kind of do, actually. It's like a light pink. So Dallas just finished the wheels. They're actually pretty fresh. Where's just rattle can? Want to touch up your wheels, you use rattle can. White looks better. There she goes down, brother. White. Way cleaner. So all four are on. They look way nicer. What do you guys think? White over pink? Let's go look on this side. Yeah, they go way better with the car. Kind of looks pink in the camera, but nope. Yeah, white looks way better, dude. Oh yeah, Dallas also got his rear bumper on, so it looks more complete. Told you get white, bro. Fuck you. Look at Calvin. Calvin's ugly ass. What's up, fag? You came early today, bro.
I left early.
Oh, really? Yo, this is, if you guys haven't seen Calvin's car in the last vlogs, it has changed a lot. By a lot. Oh, that piece? Dude, these are fucking crazy. I like the color. His rear diffuser. That shit's gnarly. Why is it there masking tape on it? Or did you do that so it could kind of match?
I did it so it matches, but it wouldn't stick.
Oh yeah. Damn, those work. they almost look legit though, bro. Damn, clean. Jeez. Low-key want rear diffusers. Well, it's fiberglass too. Jeez, dude, your car's falling apart. The other side's doing the same thing too. Clear?
What are those?
Those are fiberglass, bro. It's fiberglass. It's like a rear diffuser.
The tacos. I'm not joking with you. They're called tacos.
They're called tacos?
Serious? You know how a diffuser,
Those are pretty cool.
a huge diffuser, when you have a diffuser, the ends, called tacos. So you just buy tacos. This is all from Cressida. This shit's,
Oh, really?
this shit goes to here. They fucking chop them. It's chill. They're also for an S14. They're from Steinway. Buy them.
That's sketch. I feel like someone would break it.
What?
Dude,
Works are those?
those are reps.
With stickers?
Yeah.
Hey, that looks pretty legit.
But those stickers are legit though.
So it's like
My friend, he bought legit stickers for his old set of wheels. But then he didn't want blue anywhere. He's like, fuck, I bought the wrong color. I want white.
Wheels though? Like what?
These are fire though.
And I just bought them because
What's the?
Actually pouring. It was pouring. It's wet, it was wet as fuck. But look at it. Fucking road's all wet. But Dallas just figured out the fuel pump situation. He got a switch, and shout out to Calvin over here, the fag boy,
Hi,
and Dallas's head,
Gucci, thank you.
and
Not
my
letting it clobber my head.
me. I don't know, for doing nothing.
And then
but
this hood almost hit me in the head right now.
yeah. But yeah. Here, you want to show him real quick? All right. So here's all the wiring.
Well, right now.
We took the battery out, so the battery's usually
And
right
then,
here.
so this is the relay for the fuel pump. You could just get it online. Just look up fuel pump
It was the
relay.
kit that I showed you guys earlier on
Yes.
the vlog.
It's just a go on Google, whatever, fuel pump relay kit if you ever need to do this. And then it's pretty simple. It'll give you instructions or whatever, but this fat yellow and white wire goes to the fuel pump positive, and then this red wire goes to a breaker, a circuit breaker, and then it goes to here. You cut it, whatever, add a little connector, run the other end all the way. It has a bunch of excess wire. Then it goes to the positive battery terminal.
So that's what powers it.
That's what
basically.
powers it, yeah. You're running pretty much power through the relay, all the way, combing through this thing, and then back out through, like, the battery or whatever. And then this small, skinny yellow
wire
one goes to a toggle switch, or you could wire it to your ignition if you didn't want a switch in your car.
So yeah, we got this switch at AutoZone.
But I'd just rather have a switch because I don't want to get under my dash and find
Yeah, so
my
we just
ignition
got this,
wire.
and then he's just gonna put it in the front. So now he can manually turn on his fuel pump before he starts the car. And yeah, so that's way better since we couldn't figure it out. Because before, the fuel pump was constantly on because it was just plugged into the battery straight up.
And then you have another wire just feeding constant 12 volt to the switch, and then you obviously have the ground to the switch, and that's about it.
I do that shit too, dude.
So how much was that kit?
40 bucks?
It was 40 bucks?
Yeah.
Jesus. But yeah, it was 40 bucks.
Like 20, to like 40, but this people said this brand was decent, so I was just like,
So yeah, it's
and it
called
was one
Painless.
day shipping on Amazon Prime. Gang.
It's called Painless. So if you guys are having fuel pump issues with your 1J, get that and just make sure it's like legit, and then it's like basically manual. So you could just plug it in and then turn it on, turn it off manually before you start the car or turn off the car. But he only did that because he had an issue with the fuel pump and it didn't start.
Yeah, your fuel pump should be turning on when you turn the key to the on position.
But we just didn't figure that out, and we just want to go through like all the wires.
And I couldn't even leave a battery plugged in, or else my fuel pump would constantly be going off. And then if I wanted to hook the fuel pump up, I used to have to disconnect the battery terminals, hook it up, and then right when I connected the battery, it would constantly be running no matter what, unless I took the battery back up. So
Fuel pump is good. Now he's gonna get a battery, right? So he could get a battery now without killing
battery
his
exhaust fans, that's it.
battery exhaust fans. So fans is another wiring
The
job.
idle is a little funky.
Oh, yeah.
Like sometimes, I don't know, it's kind of weird. Maybe
because we don't have an exhaust, but
or
I mean
maybe because I keep restarting my
the battery, so the ECU resets.
Because like sometimes I'll turn it on and the idle sounds like fine, and then sometimes I'll turn it on and then
It's loud
like,
or quiet.
Like it'll start up like really like high idle for just like 1 second, and then drop all the way down to what it's supposed to be, and then other times I don't know. It's just weird.
They're all different basically.
Yeah.
So yeah, so he's gonna get a battery, exhaust, and then after the exhaust, we could try to see about the idling if it changes, right, Dallas? And then the fans, that's another wiring thing. But you're probably gonna do that manually too, right? Just like how you did this.
What?
The fans.
Yeah, the fans.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that manually, so that's good. So we also have updates. Oh, you see that thunder? That lightning? But we also have updates of the track event. It is on November 2nd, I think. Damn, bro, this weather is fucking weird. But we have the Easy Knuckles event November 2nd. Hey, when's the Easy Knuckles event? November 2nd? Oh, 4th? November 4th. And then we have the Overdue, our homies, Kyler and George. Yeah. The Overdue, December 14th. So we have 2 events. Dallas guys get tires and get ready, so that's gonna be sick. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys like the ghetto wheel painting. That actually helps a lot if your wheels are, if you buy used wheels and they're really shitty, the paint's shitty. And then we also got Dallas's fuel pump in, so that's good. Yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And Iceyyyboy Calvin, shout out to him for driving an hour and a half away to show us his gay ass car. Oh my fucking. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We out, and we'll see you next time. Deuces.